Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Randy from the Black Orchid Project. Thanks for joining me on the channel today. I hope you are all well. On this video, I'm going to talk to you about those pots that everybody's asking about from the viewer question video. I can't believe this orchid is still alive. We're going to talk about where I get them, how much they cost, and how useful they are. Everybody's asking, where do you get those pots? Where do you get those pots? So a couple things about these pots that's cool. As you can see, these are actually, like I told you before, I will put the pots inside of these pots and use this just as a decorative pot. Same thing with this one. This was not planted directly in there. But on some of my other plants, the plants I know I'm going to keep, I will put them directly in here, and those long new roots, or the long roots, will come out of here and actually start to decorate the outside of the pot. Now, a lot of you have sent me messages about your new root, your air roots, and they're getting really long. And this is what I recommend to you, because you can actually take those roots and thread them through the outside. Still have it in a nice small pot and thread these through the outside here. And so you'll have a nice decorative pot. And honestly, if all my plants wasn't going out to other places and things like that, some of my personal plants I actually always put in pots like these. I love these. Now, where do you get them? If you look these up on the big company that's taking over everything as far as home delivery, you know the one I'm talking about. These things are really, really expensive. But Callaway's Nursery carries these pots, and they started about $8.99 for some of the smaller ones, like a 4-inch. And I think these run somewhere around $19.95 or $24 for, maybe even a big one is $24. So I think these are run about the middle, somewhere in the $14, $15 range. Now, the cool thing about them is they usually, probably every 2-3 months, will have a sale, a 25% off sale. So sign up for their members club. I'm not affiliated with them. Sign up with their members club, and they will send you a notification a day before they're having one of their sales. So then you can get 25% off. I was in there talking to them the other day, and they were telling me that on your birthday month, if you're signed up, you get 30% off all month of your birthday month. So that's the time to get in there, eye them, stock up on them when you need them. So that's where I get the pots. Oh, and also I do get them from the big box hardware stores. If you just have to search for them. If you go to their ceramic pot section, sometimes they'll have them off to the side. It'll just say Orchid pot on them, and they'll be off in some obscure location. And they're usually about the same price. I'll get them for somewhere around $9 for the smaller ones, and up to $20 for the medium to big sizes, which they're double on the online store and some of the Orchid specific websites. So that's where I get them, and that's how much I pay for them. And if you can stock up on them, they are great pots to have for a long time. The ceramics don't fade, they don't chip. It's just a great pot. So if you have personal plants, I highly recommend you get everyone inside one of those. So thanks for joining me here on the Black Orchid Project. And as always, be safe. More importantly, be kind. Never give up on them. And until next time, peace.